Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. Thanks for checking in. I'm here with this 2024 Can-Am Maverick R and want to let you know that we do have a couple options for front windshields for this, for glass and polycarbonate, but we also now have the Tusk rear polycarbonate window as well. So this has a scratch resistant coating for great durability. There's no modification that you have to do to get this installed. It has a great fitment, uses factory locations down here along the bottom, and then you just have Velcro straps up here along the top. But you can see with it installed, it gives a good tight seal all the way around, has weather stripping that will come included. And when you have this paired up with a front windshield and the roof, you can really do a good job of enclosing the cab. So if you have a Can-Am Maverick R looking for a rear window, this polycarbonate option, it's affordable, looks great, easy to install. To grab yours, click the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over $75. Like I said, just enter the year, make, and model of any side-by-side that you have, and you will see all the parts that will fit your vehicle. As always, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel if you want to stay up to date on products like these. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.